Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of May 2nd through the 8th. Kind of crazy, we're already in May, but we'll see how that goes. This week I'm using this kit from Miso Art Cafe. It's, I think, just called Avocado. This is the first time I've used a kit from this shop, so I'm definitely excited to try that out. And definitely a lot of things that I need are already included in here, like the headers and things like that. There's also hydration trackers and mood trackers, so that's going to be interesting to add to my planner since I don't usually include those in what I have, but I'm excited to be using that as well. So to go with this kit, I do need a few extras, so I think I'll start out with just talking about those. I pulled in this washi, which is from Michaels. I know it has blue in it, which isn't included in the kit, but I think it's going to be okay if I add little pops of blue elsewhere as we go. I have this dark green one, which I'm going to use also for the bottom washi. These two will make up my bottom washi. This dark green one is from AC Moore, but that company is now owned by Michaels, the people who made this one. And then I have these two, actually all three of these are from various Amazon sets. I don't know how much I'm going to use any of these, but I pulled them just in case I need them, so that I have those as well. So my plan is to stick down the bottom washi, my headers, which I'm going to put as to do today little things because that's usually what I do and that works out pretty well. I'm going to stick down the weekend banner, and I'm also going to stick down the mood and hydration trackers. I think I'm going to stick those right along the bottom on all of these, so I think that's going to be my plan. So I'm going to do all of those things, and then I'm going to come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. Okay, so here is where we stand right now. I think it's looking pretty cute. So for the full boxes, I really want to use this one as my quote box because it's just so cute and I can't resist. So I'm going to stick that one down first, and then I feel like I should stick the other brown one into the center to kind of go with it. I think that makes the most sense. All right, there we go. And then these two are definitely green backgrounds. And then these two are yellow, and then those two are kind of like mystery options. So I'm gonna try to split everything up so that we kind of, I don't know, get some division, I think. I think I want to use two of the yellow ones next. I think I'm going to use this one that says avocado is my jam right here. And this avocado one that goes with it over here. And then I'm going to use the green ones next, I think. I'm going to stick this one over here. Trying to divide up the quote guys so that they're not right next to each other as much as possible. Got some scrippy scraps here. That one goes here. And then these last two. This one is going to go here on Sunday. It's not totally straight, but I think it's close enough. And then this one is going to go on Monday. There we go. All right, I think that's looking pretty cute. So now we can figure out the sidebar and all of that good stuff. So to start out the sidebar, I think I'm going to stick a row of this washi down just because I feel like I need some more of this dark green kind of getting used elsewhere other than just the bottom washi. I feel like this is pretty much the color of the outside of an avocado, so I definitely think it goes. But I wanted to kind of spread out the colors well. And then next, I think I'm going to use some of these guys, these glitter headers, to kind of make headers. So I'm going to use the brown ones, I think. And I'm going to stick in this one. And I think it's just going to say like this week. And then I have one habit tracker included here. If I can peel all the little scrippy scraps off, that would be great. There we go. And then also, I think I'm going to use, I don't really need the build, do, or the work thing, so I'm just going to not include them. And then I'm going to stick this guy, if I can get the scrippy scraps off. All right, stick this guy down. And then I'm going to put in this little weekly box. That's going to hold my dinners like usual. There we go. Like so. And then I still have like a pretty good amount of space left. Maybe I'm going to use this wide washi. Kind of divide it up a little bit. And then I think I'm going to take this box right here, and I'm going to stick that in. Just to kind of do some sort of like highlight or something. And then I'm going to stick this other green washi in. I'm using like so much green in this area, but I think it's going to be fun. Actually, I just realized I could use the last brown glitter header. I don't need to write anything on this one. So, okay. But just stick that down here. There we go. Done with the sidebar. I think that's going to look cute once it's filled in. For the daily tasks, I pulled out this American Crafts book because I feel like it has basically the right green in it, which, as we already talked about, is hard to find. So I'm going to use these last 5 green clocks to mark work for the week. I'll use those 3 right now. There we go. And then also on Monday, I have my plan with me going up. I'm going to just use the little plan guide that came in the kit for that. Tuesday and Wednesday, I don't think I really have anything going on. But Thursday, I do want to mark in I feel like I had a sticker that I was going to use for this, and now I don't know where it went. I could use these guys, either the yellow or the green here. Oh, what about this one? We're going to mark it this way, sure. Little sunshine here. And then I'm also going to add the tiny little like cake guy from the kit. That's going to be marking my father-in-law's birthday. Then I want to mark work, Friday, work, and then I'm going to post a video. I think it's going to be my April monthly, but I'm not really sure yet. We'll see. Saturday, nothing is planned, but for Sunday, it's Mother's Day, so I want to just mark that. So I'm just going to use another little sunshine. Okay, so I think that's really all I have right now. Definitely not super busy week, but also the sun is kind of moving, so sorry about the glares and things like that. But this is where we are with the pre-planning. I still have a good amount of stuff left for me to use when I do my actual week and all of that stuff. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out pretty cute. Definitely fun and colorful, very springy, good for Cinco de Mayo, all that good stuff. I have a few things left from this kit from Miso Art Cafe. Some of it you can't really see, but just got a few functionals, a couple icons, things like that. So I'm going to throw that in my leftovers, but I feel like this kit worked out pretty well, actually. This bottom washi is from Michaels. This one is from AC Moore, but that brand is now owned by Michaels. Let's see, all of these little clocks are from American Crafts. This is a Piper Paper Company. The suns are also American Crafts. And then this is a little Chasing Shells icon character. That's pretty much it. Everything else came from the kit. So I do think it worked out pretty well from the kit. It was interesting to kind of put the, have water, hydration, and mood trackers down here. It was a week with the potential Supreme Court Roe v. Wade ruling over here. Kind of made everything else less fun. But that's kind of where we are right now. I do think it turned out really cute and fun. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Also, follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Lace. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. Let me know down below if you did anything fun for Cinco de Mayo. We didn't really do anything for this year, but maybe next year it'll happen. And I guess until next time, bye.